My name is Nick Veiss. I work for Action Auto Electrics and we've been with Simpro for 12 years now. We've implemented AI in a few areas, mainly data feeds. Nothing in terms of adjusting the technician notes yet, and I'm really looking forward to that. It's going to be really good. We had Fred's little introduction at the beginning. He did nail a few focus points, especially the margins. The margins hits home really well. I'm looking forward to implementing Lightning and seeing where it can take us in terms of growing Action and what the future can hold in about 6 months' time. With the way electric vehicles are going, I'm sure there's going to be a very big impact in regards to where the shift is in terms of how much is it auto electrical, how much is mechanical, and where those trades lie. I'm not sure what the end goal is going to be or where we're going to end up, but I'm looking forward to seeing how much work comes into our workshop from the electric vehicles.